10 Facts about crocodiles. Ancient lineage. Crocodiles are often referred to as living fossils, as their ancestors have existed for over 200 million years, surviving several mass extinctions. Strongest bite. They possess one of the strongest bite forces in the animal kingdom, with jaw-closing muscles that are incredibly powerful. Regenerating teeth. Crocodiles constantly replace their teeth throughout their lives. A single crocodile can go through thousands of teeth over its lifetime. Sex determined by temperature. The sex of a baby crocodile is determined by the temperature of the nest where the eggs are incubated. Built for ambush. Their eyes, ears, and nostrils are all located on the top of their head, allowing them to remain almost completely submerged while still being able to see, hear, and breathe. Swallow stones, gastroliths. Crocodiles often swallow stones, called gastroliths, which serve two main purposes: to help grind food in their stomach and to act as ballast to aid in buoyancy and diving. Speedy swimmers. They are incredibly fast and agile in the water, using their powerful, muscular tails for propulsion. They can reach speeds of 15 to 18 miles per hour in short bursts. Efficient metabolism. Crocodiles have a highly efficient metabolism, which allows larger individuals to survive for several months, sometimes over a year, without food when necessary. Wide distribution. True crocodiles are found in tropical regions of Africa, Asia, the Americas, and Australia. The saltwater crocodile is the largest living reptile. Parental care. Female crocodiles are vigilant parents. They build nests, guard their eggs, and once the hatchlings emerge, the mother will often carry them to the water and protect them for several months.